Hello, students. We're going to now learn about a gratitude journal and making a postcard. This is for our last weeks of school fun activities in the fine arts. We hope you enjoy this lesson. First, what is gratitude? You'll have access to this slideshow back in the main link, but you need to first ask yourself, what is gratitude? And gratitude is something that we can give and can be received. Let's check out what gratitude is by clicking on this first video.
Do you have an attitude of gratitude? What on earth is that? An attitude is a way of thinking or feeling about something. We can have a good attitude or a bad attitude. The cool thing is that we are in charge of our attitude. We can choose to have a positive attitude. When we find things to be grateful for and always look for the good, we have an attitude of gratitude. There are so many things to be grateful for. The air we breathe, a sunny day, a favorite friend. Sometimes we forget all of the great things in our lives. Sometimes it's hard to have a good attitude, to be grateful. It can be really hard to see the good when everything seems to be going wrong, like when it's rainy and you don't see a bit of the bright sun anywhere. But there is always something to be grateful for. When it rains, we can be thankful for the rain helping the grass and plants grow, or getting to splash in the puddles. When we make mistakes, we can be grateful for the opportunity to learn something new and to have the courage to try again. Remember, we can't always choose what happens to us, but we can always choose how we respond. We can always respond in a healthy, positive way. We can choose to look for the good in our lives and practice gratitude. Gratitude makes life fuller, brighter, and better. It turns whatever we have into enough and more. It turns a meal into a feast. When you have an attitude of gratitude, you think positively. When you think in this way, it will change the way you feel. Positive, grateful thinking makes you feel good and happy. Remember, you get to choose your thoughts. Isn't it amazing that you can choose what you think and how you feel?
I think that is amazing, boys and girls, because I was just watching this video and thinking, I was very sad that it was raining today, but realized I don't have to go spend another half an hour watering all my plants and veggie garden. So I definitely agree that if you choose your attitude, gratitude can end up helping you feel positive. You can watch the rest of What is Gratitude video K to 4 or The Amazing Effects of Gratitude grades 5 through 6 at a later time. But let's keep going with our lesson. So, the goal of this activity is to create a gratitude journal. You don't have to have a fancy journal. It just needs to be yours. Maybe your materials are an old notebook, or even you want to make a Google Doc or Google Slide because you're a tech guru. For me, I might have to go find some excellent stickers to put in my gratitude journal because I love collecting stickers. Making your own gratitude journal, there are 2 example links for you to check out at a later time. But they're so fun and creative that I'm sure you'll be inspired after watching those 2 videos. Let's keep going. So, how to start. If you're in kindergarten through 1st grade, we suggest drawing a picture on just one piece of paper or writing something that makes you smile, something that you like about your family, someone who makes you happy. Maybe it is even a family pet. Or maybe it's you. You're making yourself happy. You're proud today because you had a very challenging English class and you did really well. Or you're proud of yourself today because you drew a really cool cartoon for your art lesson and it turned out amazing. So we can look at some examples of a gratitude jar that you can fill. At my house, I decided to take an old jar and fill it with marbles so that every time someone in the family used gratitude, we could hear a clink of the marble going in the jar. You can also fill it with a piece of paper. So let's take a look at that. Here's a gratitude jar. You can fill this piece of paper or make your own jar on a piece of paper for all that you're thankful for. You can write words in it, draw pictures, anything you like. You don't have to actually have a jar, just another idea. Where to start if you're in second grade to sixth grade? Let's suggest one of the following prompts. I'm thankful for. I appreciate. I'm grateful for. Thank you for. I know at school, boys and girls, you say thank you all the time, whether it's for PBIS points and white tickets, or thank you to our cafeteria staff for all that they do to serve you lunch. So if you're looking to do that start journal, here's an example if you click on the link to focus on the good, highlights of my day. And each day, it gives you a prompt and you can fill in the blanks. Kind of cool. And so you can then either staple that into your journal or just have that become your journal. All right, so there will be a printable version right here for you to click on. Sharing your gratitude. All right, now, K to 6. This is for everybody. Even your families can get involved. It's the good old thing called a postcard via snail mail. No more emails. Didn't you just think about turning that Chromebook in for the summer? All right, good. So let's create a postcard and mail it to someone that you haven't talked or seen in a while. So let's brainstorm. First, ask yourself, who will the postcard be for? What do they look like? And what do you want to say to them? So for example, if I were thinking of writing a postcard, I would choose to send it to my mom. I haven't seen her in a while. And I know that she's my mom and she has glasses and she's about my height and she has a nice smile and I know that she loves flowers and being outside. And what would I want to say to her? I would want to say why I'm grateful for her, why she might take good care of me, or what I'm thankful for about her. For the card, you're going to find a piece of paper and fold it in half. Most postcards are heavier paper like cardstock, and you'll need to cut it to size. The mailman will thank you, or mailwoman will thank you later. So a postcard is usually 4 by 6 or 5 by 7, a little bit bigger than an index card. Then you're going to draw and create your message of gratitude. And if you make a card and you don't have stiff paper, you can always put your message in an envelope. Don't worry, the post will still get it for you. So here's an example that our art teacher, wonderful Miss Kelly, made. She used watercolor paper, measured her rectangle, and made light lines in pencil so she could erase them later. That helped her keep her words nice, straight, and beautiful. She chose to make this for a friend of hers that lives in California. When she thought of her friend, she remembered they both love quotes and flowers and that her favorite color is blue. So she wrote out a quote and then she used colored pencils and watercolor to design the flowers. Afterwards, she cut along the lines to the right shape and size. Remember, 5 by 7 or 4 by 6. That might be something your parents can help you with. It's also great math practice for measurement. Then Mrs. Kelly flipped over her postcard and drew a line down to divide the area for her message to her friend and to have this half be where the address goes and the postage stamp. The stamp will go right up in the top corner. Your address will go here. Your message to your friend goes here, and then your friend address goes here. So the friend's name and address goes below the stamp. And if this mailing business is new to you, definitely ask someone in the house for help. Well, you've got your stamp on it. You're going to put it in the mail, and away it goes. Hope that your friend likes it. So, whether you're looking to earn 10 PBIS points or just keep your brain active in this month of June, you can have someone take a picture of your writing in your gratitude journal, or before you mail your postcard, take a picture and send it to us. And then feel the warm and fuzzies, spreading gratitude and good energy to someone special. I know it's going to make their day. just like you all make our day and how much we as teachers miss you. Share your pictures or experiences with the following teacher based on what grade level you're in. So if you're in kindergarten, send them to Miss Jennifer Kelly, your PE teacher. If you're in first and second grade, Mr. Brett Silfer. If you're in third grade, Mr. Jonathan Hinkle. Fourth grade, Miss Jen Kelly again. And fifth and sixth graders, share your to Mr. Joe Comito. We really hope you enjoy this gratitude journal or making a postcard, and I hope you choose someone special and it makes their day.